Welcome to our video on how to record and pay credit card charges. To enter a charge, click Enter Transaction at the top of the window or on the line specific to the credit card you want to enter charges for. If you choose Enter Transaction, you will need to select the account you are recording charges for. The balance will appear next to the card name. Click on it to see the balance for each fund. Select a vendor from the drop-down or click Add Vendor. In the Vendor History section, you can select a previous transaction and that information will populate into the window. This is a great way to save time for recurring transactions. When the transaction is complete, click Post Transaction. Now we are going to select a vendor that does not have any history with the account. You can enter a memo if needed, but this field is not required. The window will default to a charge. If you need to enter a credit, just change this drop-down. Reference number will default to EFT, but can be changed if needed. Enter the date and dollar amount for the charge. When you click out of the dollar amount field or click Tab, the amount of the transaction will populate at the bottom of the window. Because this vendor did not have any history, we will need to select a fund and account to use. To add additional line items, click on the plus sign and enter the additional information needed. The amount to distribute at the bottom must be 0 to post. Click Post Transaction when finished. When you click Pay Credit Card, all transactions entered for this credit card will display on the window. The quickest way to make a payment is to enter the amount you are paying on the bottom left and click Auto Distribute. The system will automatically check all applicable charges. You can also manually check and uncheck line items using the checkboxes on the left if you want to pay specific charges. The balances below will update automatically. Any credits entered will show as a negative amount in the Amount Owed column. When you are ready, choose a bank account to pay with and a payment date. The check number field will default to EFT, but you can enter a check number if needed. The next available check number for the checkbook selected will show on the window. If you want to print a check, make sure the box is marked. Click Post Payment. Thanks for watching.